Orange Park is blessed with a warm Florida climate most of the year, but when the cooler months arrive, many homeowners notice an unwelcome change indoors. Drafts creeping through old or worn-out doors. Even small gaps or cracks can let in cold air, making your home less comfortable and forcing your heating system to work harder. The good news? Door replacement offers a long-term solution that keeps your home cozy, energy efficient, and protected from seasonal discomfort. Why drafts are a problem in Orange Park homes. Though winters in Orange Park are mild compared to other parts of the country, the cooler air can still be noticeable indoors when doors aren't doing their job. Temperature imbalance. Drafts create cold spots, making certain rooms less comfortable. Higher energy bills. Your heating system must run longer to keep your home at the desired temperature. Reduced comfort. Sitting near a drafty door can feel unpleasant, no matter how high you set the thermostat. Preventing drafts is about more than comfort, it's also about maintaining energy efficiency and lowering costs. How old doors contribute to drafts over time. Doors lose their ability to provide a tight seal, especially in Florida's humid climate. Warped frames. Moisture can cause wood to swell or warp, leaving gaps around the door. Worn weather stripping. Seals break down, allowing air to pass through cracks. Structural wear. Hinges, locks, and frames loosen, creating uneven alignment that leads to leaks. If you notice visible gaps, rattling, or sunlight peeking through the sides of your door, it's a clear sign that replacement may be necessary. How door replacement prevents drafts. Replacing your old door with a modern, energy-efficient option provides several solutions. Tighter seals. New doors come with advanced weather stripping and thresholds that block airflow. Durable materials. Fiberglass and steel resist warping and shrinking, keeping the frame aligned. Precision installation. Professional fitting ensures no gaps remain between the door and frame. This creates a reliable barrier against the cool air, keeping your home consistently comfortable. Added benefits beyond draft control. Preventing drafts is only one advantage of a new door. Orange Park homeowners also enjoy energy savings. Less heat loss means your HVAC system uses less energy, lowering monthly bills. Noise reduction. High-quality doors also block outside noise for a quieter home. Enhanced security. Modern locks and reinforced frames improve safety while boosting comfort. Curb appeal. A new door refreshes your home's exterior, adding beauty and value. By addressing drafts, you also improve your overall living experience and long-term property value. Choosing the right door for Orange Park homes. When selecting a replacement door, consider both style and performance. Fiberglass doors. Resistant to moisture, warping, and drafts. Ideal for Florida's climate. Steel doors. Provide excellent insulation and added security. Custom options. Choose designs, colors, and glass inserts that complement your home's character. Working with a professional installer ensures you get a door that not only looks great but also performs reliably. Final thoughts. Drafts may seem like a minor annoyance, but during Orange Park's cooler months, they can impact comfort, energy efficiency, and even your home's long-term health. Door replacement is the most effective way to eliminate drafts, creating a more pleasant indoor environment while saving on energy costs. If you've been noticing chilly air near your entryways or rising energy bills in winter, it may be time to upgrade. With professional installation and a high-quality door, you'll enjoy warmth, peace of mind, and a stylish new look for your Orange Park home, season after season.